nice, a nice night. Welcome to the Bollywood Film City. Warning chemistry, and all videos are promoted and financed by fashionable Film City Bollywood movie developers. So, in the previous lecture, we learned about the dipole moment, and we see that it is defined as the product of the magnitude of the charge and distance between them. And its unit 1 dV, which is equal to the 10 to the power minus 18 ESU centimeter. Now see some application of dipole moment. First, estimation of the extent of ionic character in a bond. For example, if we see the molecule HCl, here the bond length is about 1.275 angstrom, which is equal to 1.275 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter, and charge is 4.802 into 10 to the power minus 10 ESU. So theoretically, mu equals to E into L, 4.802 into 10 to the power minus 10 into 1.275 into 10 to the power minus 8 ESU into centimeter equals to 6.11 into 10 to the power minus 18 ESU centimeter equals to 6.11 D, where 1 D equals to 10 to the power minus 18 ESU into centimeter. So we get experimentally dipole moment mu for HCl equals to 1.03 D cap D. Hence percentage of ionic character equals to mu observed divided by mu calculated into 100. So observed dipole moment is 1.03 and calculated is 6.11. So 1.03 divided by 6.11 into 100 comes out to be 17%. Thus HCl is more polar than HBr because HCl has mu 1.03 D and HBr has mu equals to 0.790. Mu means dipole moment. The symmetrical molecule, like linear, regular corner of a tetrahedron or planar triangular structure or a planar hexagonal structure, has zero dipole moment. In such molecule, the dipole developed in opposite direction and cancel out. So let's some examples of linear symmetrical molecule which dipole moment mu equals to 0. For example, O double line C double line O. Similarly, S double line C double line S, and H single line C triple line C double line H, and H single line H. These are symmetrical molecules, so its dipole moment is 0. Means COT, CS2 and C2H2 and H2. Next example is tetrahedral molecule with dipole moment mu equals to 0. It is CCl sub 4, SnCl sub 4 and CH sub 4. And some planar triangular molecule mu equals to 0. BF sub 3 and AlCl sub 3, and planar hexagonal molecule with dipole moment 0. SF sub 6. Now second, deciding the geometry of polar molecules. We have water. Its dipole moment is 1.84 D, and hydrogen sulfide H2S, its dipole moment is 0.95 D, and SO2, its dipole moment mu equals to 1.61 D or dV, and NH3, its dipole moment mu equals to 1.47 D, have assigned angular structure instead of linear structure. Next, 3. Cis trans isomer can be distinct by dipole moment. The trans compounds will have a negligible dipole moment about mu equal to 0 due to the cancellation of the individual bond moments. But the cis isomers will have a definite dipole moment. For example, trans dibromomethane, ethane, its mu equal to 0, and cis dibromomethane, its mu equal to 1.35D. Let's see one example. The experimental dipole moment of a AB compound is 1.3D. The distance of AB is 1 angstrom, bond length is 1 angstrom. Calculate the percentage ionic character of AB compound. Here E equals to 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 10 ESU. We show that dipole moment mu equal to charge into distance. So 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 10 into 10 to the power minus 10 equal to 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 18 equals to 4.8 D or dV, because we know that 1 angstrom equals to 10 to the power minus 8 cm. Hence, percentage ionic character experimental mu divided by calculated mu into 100. So 1.3 divided by 4.8 into 100 equals to 27.08. Now we see here Fajans rule for the determination of ionic or covalent character. An alternative approach to explain the formation of either ionic or covalent bond is provided by the Fajans rule. The rules can be summarized by saying that molecule containing first a high positive charge on the cation, second high negative charge on the anion, third a small cation or large anion are covalent in character, while those containing first a low positive charge on the cation and low negative charge on the anion and large cation or a small anion show ionic characters. The molecules having cations with 18 electrons valence shell configuration are more covalent than those having 8 electron valence shell configuration. So this is the Fajans rule. Now, isoelectronic species. Ions or molecules having same number of electrons are called isoelectronic species. For example, number of electrons 10, isoelectronic with neon, and these are examples of these molecules are Na plus Mg plus 2 Al plus 3 N minus 3 O minus 2 and so on.